mate. Hello guys. Today we're going to feed a kitten. This is a kitten or cat? This is a cat. And what's the menu that cat want? Cat wants watermelon? No. Cat don't want watermelon. Cat want plant? No. Of course not. Cat want corn? No. Or carrot? No. Cheese? No cheese for mouse. Of course, cat want fish. Oh, you're right. You're doing great. Meow. Horse. It's like horse. Pony. What's he expect? Oh, first one. It's matching? No, it's banana. No. Cabbage? No. Cheese? No. What about carrot? Oh, you're right. He wants carrot. Sheep, 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 sheep. Sheep want a plant, as you can see right there. Yeah, you're doing great. Oh, this is a crocodile. This is a cute crocodile, but crocodile, it's a wild animal. What's crocodile want to eat? Let's find out at the menu. No. How about corn? No. Oh, he wants chicken. You're doing great.